What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the Engineer Next Door, we're going to do a rear differential oil change on a 2005 Subaru Forester. So let's get into it. So what you're going to need is jack and jack stands, drain pan, 1 quart of 75W90 gear oil, and a 1/2 inch ratchet and extension. Go ahead and get your car up on jacks and jack stands. I usually like to do the front and the rear at the same time, so get your car up on all 4 jacks. And so what we're going to do is remove the top bolt first, because if we remove the bottom one and we can't get the top one on, then we couldn't fill it back up. So we're going to take the top one off first just to make sure this comes loose, and then we'll take the bottom out. Grab your 1/2 inch ratchet and extension.
Hey, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It'd be much appreciated.
Oh, put your resin under. Forgot to mention that. Okay, and then make sure you wipe these off. They're gonna have a little bit of metal on. The bottom one's gonna have more metal. Go ahead and get your bottom plug and wipe it off with paper towel. Okay, and we're gonna let that drain until it stops pouring out. Okay, here's the difference between the top and the bottom plug. The bottom plug has a magnet on it to get all the metal shards off from the gears grinding. Okay, now that the oil's done dripping out, we're gonna put the bottom plug back in first. Okay, now we're gonna put our new fluid back in. And so that's the great part about these squeeze packs, is you're going to be able to squeeze the oil in and not have to pump it in, and it's just so much easier and less waste. Okay, now just squeeze it in until it starts squirting out the top. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, we're gonna let that drain out the top now. Okay, now we'll put the top one back on. Cool. Now just wipe it down. Just to clean it off as best as you can. Dirt and grime always stays on here pretty good. Make sure to recycle the old differential fluid. Okay, last but not least is making sure you record that in your service record. I like to change that fluid every 30 to 50,000 miles. If you're doing heavy towing and have a lot of weight in your car, more towards the 30,000. But since this is synthetic, I like to stick between 30 and 40,000 between intervals. So hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.